In the following tutorial, we will take a closer look at the following: inserting page breaks, formatting text, styles, and paragraphs, basic text formatting. Before starting with inserting page breaks, we will love to see you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. At times, headings, or the first line of a paragraph, end up at the end of a page. These headings or paragraphs might need to be forced to the top of the next page. If you need to leave space for a particular graphic or chart at the end of a page, you can force a break at the desired position in the document. You can insert a page break or a blank page at any point in a document by taking these steps. 1. Position the mouse pointer on the text that you want to force onto the next page. Alternatively, you can position your mouse at the start of the location where you want the space to be inserted. 2. Click on the Breaks icon in the Layout tab or select the Page Break option from the Insert tab. Formatting text, styles, and paragraphs. Formatting means changing the way your document looks. A character is a letter, number, or symbol that makes up the text of your document. We will look at the formatting of characters and paragraphs in this section. To format text in a document, we can use the icons under the Home tab or the mini toolbar. Although you cannot edit through the mini toolbar, when selected in a document, it offers you the frequently used formatting options. If you rest your mouse pointer on the mini toolbar, it stays active. If you ignore it, the mini toolbar becomes transparent, disappears, then reappears when you next select some text to format. Remember that the icons in the ribbon can easily be identified by placing your mouse on the icon for a second. This presents a tooltip with a short description of the icon. We will investigate the various formatting options under the Home tab in the following section. Basic text formatting. 1. Select some text to format in your document. 2. Locate the font group, then select the font drop-down arrow. 3. A list will unfold, listing a number of fonts. Your frequently used fonts are listed near the top of the list. The list is in alphabetical order. Each font type presented in the drop-down list is written in that font, demonstrating how it will look. Select the desired font by selecting it with your mouse pointer. Alternatively, start typing the font name you want to use, then press Enter on your keyboard to apply it to the selected text. 4. To select a point size to apply to the text, simply click on the tiny arrow just after the font face list. Choose a point size from the list provided or enter a font size of your own by typing it into the number placeholder provided. For example, you can type the size you require into the text area, replacing the size 11 font with size 13. Don't forget to press Enter once you are done. 5. Next to the font size icon are two icons, one for increasing and the other for decreasing the font size. This is another quick method of changing the size of elements in a document. 6. The bold attribute can be applied to make text bold by clicking on the bold icon on the toolbar. The procedure is the same for the italic and underline icons. By clicking on the drop-down arrow to the right of the underline icon, a list of underline styles will appear. If you see that a formatting control, such as bold, italic, or underline, is selected, it means that the option is already active on the selected text or paragraphs in the document. To remove the formatting, simply select the paragraph or text that has the formatting applied to it and click on the relevant icon on the ribbon. Sometimes there are multiple formats applied to the same selection in a document. If so, you will need to remove the formats from them individually. This concept works in much the same way as a light switch. You can switch it on and off using the same button.